Quack, 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 quack. Hello, my dear children. I am Dinky the Duck, Dinky the Duck, and this is my farmhouse. I am a farm animal. Quack, 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 quack. I am Dinky the Duck, Dinky the Duck.
You want to make this origami dinky duck? You need one craft paper, origami sheet, and one sketch pen. That's all. Okay, now 1, 2, 3, and 4. These are four corners. These are four corners, and turn this sheet upside down. And now we join this point to this point. Join and press it. Press it. Press it. Now you have got this crease, this middle line. Now take this flap, this corner, and bring it here till this line, like this, and again press it. Do it very nicely. And press it, press, press, press. Press it. Now take this second corner, second flap, and again bring it here like this to get this cone. Yes, again press it. Now you have got this cone. Okay, now again turn it upside down and take this corner to this standing line. Take this like this and press it. Press. Now second corner, again take this to this middle line. Okay, yes. Now this side, take one triangle, one cone down. See, I'm taking this half till this line. Press, and one more small triangle up, and this is open. This should be open. Duck's beak is not pointing, like this. And now fold it like this. Oh. Fold it like this. This now pull this up, pull this up, little up, and this also. Wow, my dinky duck is ready. And And now make its beak. Oh, its eyes, not beak, sorry. Other side.
Quack, 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 quack. Quack, 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 quack.
Yes, I'm ready, my dear children.
I'm ready. Quack, 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 quack.
So, your dinky origami duck is ready. You can make different ducks, big or small, up to you. And you can create your own story.